Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk where we keep you up to date on the latest Scholars, athletics, and sports. My name is John and here's what will be on the lineup from October 5th to October 11th. Starting off with high school on Monday, October 6th, there will be a boys cross-country meet in Fresh Meadows. Also on Monday, our boys soccer team will be playing at Campus Magnet High School alongside our girls soccer game against Jamaica. On the 7th, we have a girls cross-country meet, another bowling match at Funfest Lanes, and our girls tennis team's match at Bayswater Park. On Wednesday, the 8th, there will be a cross-country meet, a girls soccer home game, as well as a girls volleyball team match in their home turf. To add to our high school's jam-packed schedule, there will be a girls cross-country practice, a bowling match at Funfest Lanes, a girls tennis match at First Park, and all on Thursday, October 9th. To end off Scholars High School athletics for this week, on the 10th of October, the cross-country team will have practice at 7 a.m. in the fitness room, and a girls volleyball home game at 4:30 p.m. Our scholars will be very busy this week, so make sure to wish all our athletes good luck in their athletic endeavors. Moving on to middle school, callbacks will be held on the 6th of October for the middle school girls volleyball team tryouts. But on the 7th, there will be a middle school girls volleyball home game at 10 a.m. Finally, middle school athletics for this week will end with a girls volleyball game at Kappa 4 being held on the 6th. That will be all for Scholars Athletics this week, but make sure to stay up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholar Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel, checking out psal.org, and looking at our calendar under the school landing page, scholarsnyc.com, so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholar Sports throughout the season. That's it for the sports report this week. I'm John, and I'll see you next time.